Yo, what's up? Today, I'm gonna be taking you on a road trip around Singapore on the all-new Volkswagen ID Buzz. While we're at it, I'm gonna be giving you an inside look on the all-new Anamorphic Lens mod for HERO13 Black. Come, let's go for this drive. How about that? Woo! The Anamorphic Lens mod lets you capture ultra-wide videos with little to no distortion at the new dramatic 21:9 aspect ratio, transforming your GoPro into the ultimate cinema camera, making this the perfect camera to take along with me for this road trip. Here is a fun fact. HERO13 Black with Anamorphic Lens mod automatically desqueezes your footage in camera, allowing you to review your shots in real time using the rear touch display and removing the need for cumbersome and complicated post-production workflow to achieve that ultra-wide cinematic result, just like what you're seeing on screen right now. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool. And as the name suggests, Anamorphic Lens mod produces that classic anamorphic lens flare when you send light down the barrel of the lens that adds environmental texture to your shot. After testing it out the last couple of weeks, I am simply stoked on the results of it. That is such a sick shot with the anamorphic lens flare. Love it. Okay, let me show you a good practice on how you should swap your lenses on HERO13 Black. First of all, remove the rear lens cover of your lens and place it onto the table as such. Next, remove the standard lens by turning it anti-clockwise and keeping it in the rear protective lens cover. Next, align the blue indicators on the camera to the lens and twist it clockwise. Right? And there you have it. With auto lens detection, your camera will be automatically optimized to the modes and setting of the lens installed. In this case, I have got the Anamorphic Lens installed. How cool is that? Also, a really good practice when not in use, make sure to keep the lens cover back on. There you have it. Simple as that. So, to assist me into this vlog, this is my setup. Of course, HERO13 Black with the Anamorphic Lens mod, and over here, I've got the suction cup and the suction cup mounted onto the boom extension arm. Alright, let me show you how I set all of this up. Check this out. And that is how to use the boom extension arm together with the suction cup. To make it extra stable for your drive, use 2 suction cups to stabilize it. Just like that. Let me know. What do you think? Let's go for that drive. Let's go for that drive. Okay, here is a pro tip for using anamorphic lenses. Position your light sources creatively in relation to the camera's direction. Use those lens flares to create dramatic effect from light sources such as the sun, street lights, or even your headlights from the car. Huh? And that's it for today's adventure. I hope that you've enjoyed this short little tour around Singapore and learned a thing or two about the new anamorphic lens mod. Let me know in the comments, what did you enjoy most about the video? Anamorphic lenses? Volkswagen ID bus? Until then, I'll see you in the next upload. Yo! Drive safe, y'all!
True.
Sun is out. Yeah. It's happening. It's happening. Barbecue is happening.